Good afternoon and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Ultraviolet metallic, beautiful colour. Volkswagen Scirocco, it's a 2 litre TDI, it's Euro 6, ULEZ compliance, start. 2 litre diesel, 2017 on a 67, must be one of the last. 82,000 miles, MOT till the 16th of February 2027. Had the cam belt and water pump replaced in 2025. Just been serviced with some new rear brake discs and rear brake pads. £8,495. Lovely thing. Very pretty looking car in ultraviolet metallic. Parcel shelves in the boot, space saver spare wheel. Alloys and paintwork in nice condition. You can see the new discs and pads just been fitted on the back. It's recent service. Cam belt was replaced last year and water pump. Not covered in stone chips. Inside, it's got the usual check cloth sports seats. It's got DAB digital radio, Bluetooth. Super clean in the back. Flat bottom leather multifunction steering wheel. Great looking cars these. Okay, so parcel shelf, really nice and clean in there. Spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, toolkit, alloy wheel locking key. All in the boot where it should be. No dents, no scratches, really clean car, lovely to drive. So Euro 6, ULEZ compliant. Electric heated mirrors, electric windows, fitted mats, driver's seat in lovely condition, automatic headlamps, nice flat bottom leather multifunction steering wheel. Got all the gauges up there, your boost gauges, turbo gauge, etc. Air conditioning, obviously. Tyre pressure monitoring. £8,495. Lovely Scirocco that. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.